Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this YUFENG 12 pieces of colorful or mixed color or single color like this frosted plastic tube empty refillable perfume bottle spray for travel and gift. So this is what we get. Here's the box. Hope you can see that. Yeah, here we have the remaining that's nine bottles here. We have already 3 here, so in total 12 bottles. Yeah, this is how you get them in a normal package, and they were pretty good protected, so I have seen no damage so far. Yeah, here by the way the number, I think that's the Amazon product number or so, made in China. 12 of these sprays cost only around $10. Some of the colors are a little bit cheaper, some are a little bit more expensive. So why did I buy these things? I was actually planning to do my own hand sanitizer with, not this one, but actually I wanted to make it with aloe vera and rubbing alcohol. So there was no aloe vera, so I ordered this thing, this witch hazel, which came from Amazon. Then I ordered also some kind of rubbing alcohol from, I think it was Walmart. They promised me to send it to me, and after a week it was cancelled, so it looks like rubbing alcohol really not available anymore. So what I'm going to do is, of course, I fill it with this Terra Silver 225 ppm colloidal silver. So why am I doing that? I cannot give you some advice about effectiveness of colloidal silver regarding virus, bacteria, fungus and so on. You have to do your own research on that. I highly recommend to research for colloidal silver kills virus study, something like that. I have it for you. I put it down so you can read that. Just Google for that and you will find really interesting things. Go for the links which are on the US National Library of Medicine, National Institute of Health. I think that's an official website, and go there and read what of course these are not US studies. US government doesn't like the colloidal silver. FDA, EPA and all these agencies, they don't like colloidal silver, but go and check. As a big surprise, the studies from other countries, like from South Korea, Italy, Mexico, and so, about colloidal silver and what they do on the surface regarding viruses. You can still read that in official US, in this US National Library of Medicine. Really interesting. Just go and read about that. I'm unfortunately not able to tell you anything because in 1999 the FDA has brought up a rule that all colloidal silver in OTC drug products have been removed. Yeah, that's a bad thing, but it was their decision. But there's still this Freedom of Choice Act. I don't know from when it is, but it gives you the freedom to choose whatever you want to use. And I am using colloidal silver for a couple of things, and also for me I'm using it to use it as a hand sanitizer, just normal spray. I put it 3 sprays in my hand and then rubbing it like normal hand sanitizer. I just do it. I cannot tell you if it works or not. You have to find out on your own. Just go to the studies, check it out. So I think the bottles are pretty good. They have a pretty good thick cup here. You can see that, the protection. It's pretty thick and it's good plastic. It's not super hard like cheap plastic. It's a good plastic, I would say. Then also the sprayer itself is really good. Sometimes when you spray, it has a little bit of a resistance, so maybe after 1000 sprays, maybe either the resistance goes away or the thing breaks. But it feels really good. I mean, it's not cheap at all. And yeah, here is how it looks inside. Also, this really good quality, not cheap, I would say. Also here you can see it's really thick. Hope you can see that the wall is really super sturdy, everything, also the thread here, everything really good thing. I would say, yeah, it's much better than what I've been expecting. I've been expecting a really cheap thing, 12 pieces for around $10. I was expecting to get something super cheap, but this is like pretty sturdy, I would say. You can definitely put this in your pocket and it shouldn't break. I mean, you would have to do crazy things to break this thing. So I mean, it's recommended for even like oils or like perfumes or so on, so such things. Yeah, so I think with normal like things like colloidal silver or so, it shouldn't be a problem. There is no real number on that. I mean, we see number 11. You can Google for that. It's a really complicated expression. I don't know if this is really the number 11 plastic, but they say it's safe for perfume, so expect that it's a good quality plastic. Yeah, it really looks pretty sturdy. Again, this spray here, usually it's good. I've been testing a couple of them and most of them seem to be really good. You can see that. Yeah, I'm doing with the other one. I'm doing with this one here. Yeah, where do we have it? So works pretty good. So about, yeah, what you can expect from a normal spray, but it's definitely a little bit more than 0.1. It's about 0.5 milliliters, so about 7 sprays for 1 milliliter. So yeah, I've been able to spray about 68 times till it was empty. So yeah, that makes about this amount, 0.15 milliliters. And the good thing is also, yeah, the pump seems to be really good quality when it's empty and you refill it. And I mean, yeah, the pump, the whole system was empty. You have to just pump a couple of times and it will come back. Sometimes with cheap pumps, you could be out of luck and having a hard time to be able to pump again. Regarding the filling here, yeah, I've been testing that. Here we have, yeah, which one is the empty one? Here we have the empty one. And when we put this thing here, yeah, here we see that. Okay. Let's set it back to 0, go to milliliters. And then, yeah, this one is pretty full, so we see it's usually 9 milliliters. I have been managing to fill it up and it was showing 10 milliliters. So, but usually it's 10 milliliters when it's full, and then you put back the pump here. Of course, that's also some kind of yeah, when you have it full and you insert the whole thing, some of the liquid will go away, and usually I've been measuring only 9 milliliters after that, and not 10 milliliters as it has been stated in the listing. But apart from that, looking really good, I would say. Definitely the quality is much better than what I've been expecting so far. You can even operate this with one hand, as you can see, and then start spraying. Yeah, works really good. It has a really fine, nice mist. You can use that on your hands, spray it in your mouth, whatsoever. Yeah, looking really good. I mean, it's also light protected, I think. That's also important for colloidal silver, maybe also for other things. So even though it is very good light protected, it is not perfect light protected, I think. So if we are watching against like the sun or really strong light, we somehow can see still the bubble, when there's bubble like going up and down, so we can estimate how much there is still in the bottle left. I can give you really full recommendation on that. It has also good reviews on Amazon. really only very few bad comments. So I think it's good for travel. Take it with you for everything you want. So I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I was able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.